Lot to talk about, guys. We got some cool stuff coming, and you'll notice a theme on this episode. We're going to talk a little bit about the Redline Club, and I've got a few things that they are putting out shortly or just came out I think you guys will be interested in. But guys, we have got some important business to take care of right off the bat. We're speaking to one legendary designer at Hot Wheels, but the GOAT, Larry Wood himself, is turning 80 this year. And our special guest, Brendan Vituski, is actually gathering requests and cards and little gifts for Larry. So on behalf of Diecast Breakdown, I'm going to speak for Chuck and Mark now. Happy birthday, Larry. Thank you so much for everything you've done for our community and for Hot Wheels in general. And we wanted to say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Larry.
Happy birthday.